In this video, we will show two ways to exploit the TBFY Knowledge Graph, using the SPARQL endpoint or via an API. To use the SPARQL endpoint, you must access using this URL. Then you will be taken to the main page of the endpoint, where you can create new queries only pressing the plus sign and writing your SPARQL code. Next, we will show an example in which we will obtain the list of suppliers with Norwegian jurisdiction and that have more than 100 employees. The data to be shown will be the legal name of the organization, the jurisdiction, founding date, number of employees, and the title and description of the award. The next step is to run the query, and the first 10 results will be shown with the fields previously requested. For the second example, we will use the core API, which is organized around REST principles and can be accessed from this link. And a welcome message to R4R will be shown, so it means that the API is ready. If we want to obtain the list of tenders, the only thing that we have to do is to use the resource tender. We can also apply filters to the list. In this case, we will get the list of tenders that contain IBM in the title. We can check that the list has been filtered according to the parameter used. If we want to know more information about a specific tender, all we have to do is add in the URL the identifier of the tender to the resource. For each first level resource, in this case the tenders, we can also obtain several second level resources, such as the list of items related to the specific tender, including the classification and the schema used for this classification. Another information that we can get is the list of documents related to the tender, where we can find information about the URL, language, and type of the document. Finally, in the same way as the previous second level resources, a list with all the contracting processes in which the tender takes part can also be shown.